Okay, with G4 through G15 selected, I ran out of time and was still talking, so I'm just going to continue where we left off. So with those selected, we just did the conditional formatting up here from the main menu, the ribbon, but there's also a quick analysis button and you can get the same features in both of them. So I'm going to select this one and you can see the data bars. The only thing is here, if you select data bars here, you can only get blue, whereas if you were up here in conditional formatting, you had more choices. In this one, we're going to choose greater than, and the amount that we want greater than is 500. And you can see that it's starting to show which ones are greater than 500. But they want you to just use light red fill. So it's just a light red fill. We didn't want both the font also red, just the fill. And then click OK. And you can see all the ones that are over 500 are in the red shading. So if you were to click G4 and change the amount to $4.99, it's just under 500. When I press enter, the red shading goes away. So that's setting up for greater than a certain amount, and this one is showing your conditional formatting for all of the cells. So Control Home will take us back to the beginning, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the Sheet 2 tab, and then we'll click the Sheet 1 tab, and then double click the Sheet 2 tab, and then you actually selected it, so you'll type Commission and then press enter. So you've given it a new name. And then if you right click on Commission, you can choose tab color and you can select blue accent 5 and darker 25%. Should be this one right here. Right click on Sheet 1, choose Rename. We just did it before where we double clicked. And this one's going to be Boston Tech. Enter. And then we'll click the Commission tab. And we're going to hold and drag it to the right of Sheet 3. So we just moved it. So you should have Boston Tech, Sheet 3, and then Commission. And then we'll get rid of 3. So right click on Sheet 3 and choose Delete. And Sheet 3 is gone. Control Home takes you back to the top. We're going to go back to the Boston Tech. So on the Boston Tech sheet, go ahead and click Review, and then we'll choose Spelling. And the first one that's coming up is Commission. And you can see that it's right here in K. It's got the box around it. And we'll choose Change because that's the first one. And then the next one is Support. And again, you can see it right here, Support. That's the one we want. We don't want Sport. Choose Change. And you're okay. And then we'll go back to the Home tab. And we're going to choose Find and Select. And then we'll click Replace. And we're going to type in Find What Contract. And then replace it with Temp. So find Contract, replace with Temp, choose Replace All. And there should be 6 replacements. Click OK. And then click Close, click File, Print, and then we're going to come down to Custom Scaling, and we're going to choose, just to show you before I click Custom Scaling, if you notice that there's parts of it missing, and if you look down at the bottom, 1 of 2, if you click the next page, so there's just a little bit that's missing on the first page. So to put it all together, under Custom Scaling, you'll choose Fit Sheet on 1 page. And now it's all on 1 page. And then with this one, you can go ahead and save and submit to Cengage. Thank you.